So my name is Afrin Praveen and we are sitting all over here in front of you all to do a debate on the topic of Indian culture, Western culture. So the three boys are in favor of Western culture and we are in favor of Indian culture. So I would like to start from the Indian culture. Indian culture is the most famous and it is the most oldest culture. It is involved, according to me, 5,000 years because many people are following the Indian culture from a lot of times. Indian culture is very important for us because as we all know that in nowadays only, the generation have changed till that only. Many women, many men are wearing their traditional dresses like sari, salwar suit, kameez, all these things they are wearing. And whenever you go to any shop, then you can see any person or any woman to wear a sari only, follow their condition and tradition also. Indian culture is very important culture as we all are living in India and we all know that India is a very famous country, so we have to develop our country by using the Indian culture.
According to me, Indian Western culture has adopted by European, American and New Zealand. It has adopted by 6th century. It is also oldest culture. So it in India in Western culture low cost and we get high thing provide. So I can say that Western culture is also good.
First, you know what is culture? A culture is the way of a life of a particular group of people or a country. In Indian culture is the best because in Indian culture have many varieties like food, dress and caste also.
In Western culture also so many things, but you don't know. Therefore, you telling about this Western culture very less. Nowadays, we live in India, but we follow Western culture. You know, because of the dress things and living things also converted into Western culture by the rules, regulation. We know at the previous in India there is untouchability is used, but in nowadays there is a less, but it used in villages and also there is dowry system. But in Western culture there is not this type of things.
But I can say that firstly I can define the Indian culture. The culture which are followed by the Indians are called Indian cultures. And we are Indians, so we are proud of our culture. And with the Indian culture we adopting, we are save our culture by the extinction. They are day by day they are getting destroyed our Indian culture. By coming of the Western culture, our Indian culture get destroyed. But we can only save our Indian culture by adopting the Indian cultures.
Okay, you are telling that Indian culture are destroyed by the Western culture. Which type of culture is destroyed?
Like our traditions,
Example,
traditional dresses, our
I'm telling you
festivals,
festivals.
joint family are there in our Indian culture, but in the Western culture they don't have a joint family, they have a nuclear family mostly.
But in Indian culture, every person has open-minded. If in the Indian culture, every person live in nuclear family. But Western culture, every person live in joint family.
They have freedom to do their work, but also you
But
women
as I
and
know
work.
that in the Western countries,
One by
mostly
one.
mostly students and mostly people are when they are capable, then they leave their family at an age. But in Indian culture, the students and then the children, they can take care of their old age mother, fathers and their families. So we can say that Indian culture is best.
Indian culture also prefer a joint family. They respect her elders and obey their small child, brother and sister, and any relative persons.
Indian culture is it is a very good culture according to me. Like if we celebrate a festival, say so Diwali, Holi, all this we can celebrate. And many people are celebrating it. I also think that you all celebrate this festival also Diwali. So what is it's an Indian culture festival only, but many people are they are not celebrating this type of festivals in India. They are celebrating the other countries' festivals, like other countries which they have festivals that they are following that rules. But it is as they are living in India, so they have to make the concept very clear that I am living in India, so I have to celebrate the festivals of India only, not other countries. So in Western culture, many people are distracted also by everything that they are doing like that, they are doing like this. So, but in Indian culture, they are following their rules and regulation very nicely. So I can feel that Indian culture is good.
What about that? In the villages area, they are not using any rules, any values, and not using the any. I mean that I would like to tell that not using proper क्या बोलते हैं that
Value system.
So
You're saying wrong. In villages area also follow in Indian culture totally.
No, how? In the village also
day by day.
in the villager only they are using the western clothes only. As Afin said that sari is a part of Indian culture. No, it is a part of the western culture only. Even we are also wearing the clothes. It is a part of western culture only.
So let me tell you one thing that by following the Indian culture, we all know that we are living in India and we have to follow the culture of the India only. And as you are saying that Western culture is good than Indian culture, then you are totally wrong because
Okay.
I am not saying that Western culture is bad. I am telling that Western culture, most of the people are using Western culture in bad ways.
You would like to say that we are Indians. That's why we are using the Indian culture. You know, as you like to say on that only. No.
I am not telling that we are Indians, we will consider Indian cultures only. I would like to speak that we are living in India. We are a family, a type of family, and we celebrate other festivals also in India. Holi, Diwali, all these things we celebrate together itself. So I can, but Western people have another world in themselves because they celebrate. They don't know what is the culture only. Western people. They are
How
only-
would you say that?
Because many people are foreigners, they are not following the cultures of India. They are following the other cultures. They are wearing other cultures things. And in India, you can see that many dance forms are there. Because how? Because they, if you go to your any school function, then obviously you will see the dance forms are there available because they respect their country. They make their rules and regulation according to.
Western culture also respect rule and regulation because according to Western culture, every person has done force of his children to do work.
You know that in India, we all are our elders. We all are saying namaste. We are greeting them. But in Western culture, they are in their own mind. They are very open-minded at any culture. But in India, they are bending down and touching their feet to respect our elders. But in Western, they are not doing like this. They are only namaste and going here and there. And in schools also, they are not disciplined very good in the culture of India.
It is related of situation. Their places are a rule. Good morning, good afternoon.
You were telling wrong. In nowadays in India only they are fighting with each against like Hindu or Muslim in the religions only. What about that? Why they are fighting? Are they
Because
following
they are
Indian
giving
culture?
each other to any more than like.
But also we know that India is a country where we are knowing about our brotherhood and we are sharing a good relation with the Muslims. Not only fighting. Some persons are fighting. That's not means all persons are getting fighting. We Indians are famous for our brotherhood. In many festivals also we can see our brotherhood. Like in Eid.
Diwali, Holi also.
What about that? When the Muslim boy marries with the Hindu girls and they leave the girls for with the widow, like a widow only. What about that? Why they are using this bad ways?
Yes, and also
To become married.
Muslim was
Because
converted.
in Indian culture also people have freedom. Then he respect who regulation and caste he like.
After marriage, after making a couple, the
So
male
it is
is
not our problem. Let me tell you things that
Some persons
in
are bad.
Western,
That not means all Indians or all Muslims are bad.
continuously
We are not saying
continues are
that
coming.
Indian culture is
But
also bad.
some of the people
I am not
are
telling about
Muslims are
some
bad.
and little. It is happened in India. I am
Yes,
telling you
we
this. I
know
am not
that
telling about
this
the
was
West.
happening in the India
if you
only.
are
Only in the India, we know.
Yes.
But some people mentality was bad. So what we
Therefore,
can do? We can only
Every person-
teach our
Okay.
girls how to deal with them.
if you are an Indian
Yes,
and,
I am.
and you are following the Indian culture, so as you told that Hindu, Muslim, all this is moving here and there. A Muslim boy married to a Hindu girl. How? by Western culture only.
No.
Because it let me
How?
let me complete.
Okay.
As we all know that Indian culture, Indian people who respect their country, who respect their Indian culture are following the rules. Their caste they are following. But in the Western, marry anyone, make anyone anything, and they are following. They are not following the Indian only.
How could you say that the Western culture is doing like this?
So how can I speak also that the Indian culture doing like this?
Continuously the news is coming in on the TV.
So I
It is
also
also
would like to
trending.
tell that it is all happening in Western culture, not in Indian culture. Because
I will give an example. Can you give an example?
let me tell you one thing. As you told me an example.
Yes.
So if you are means if you told that the people of Indian culture are doing like this.
Yes.
So there is a part of Indian culture also. Means they are following their rules very nicely, very progressive. But the Western culture people are not following. They are in their own world, own mind, everything they are not following anything. So this all things is happening in Western only, not Indian, because they have a rule that to marry or to marry to a same caste to same caste boy. So we cannot speak that to West Indian.
I already said that the Muslim boys are married with Hindu girls and they make the widow to the Hindu girls.
Yes.
Why?
And
I
they
already
convert
said
their-
this point. Then why you are coming back to this point only?
So you are asking the coming by you are asking the example.
Then you are repeating that point only.
So you first know that point.
So you convert the point into other ways. You are repeating my point only.
Western culture also.
It means that you accepted my point. No.
So I would like to speak according to my point. Indian culture is the most beautiful culture in the world because many people are following. You know that other countries also many people are following the Indian culture. Like many Indian songs are there. Or Indian culture songs are there. Means there are other countries people are following the dance songs only, dance costumes only. Everything
Yes,
they are
India
following.
also follow Western culture.
90% of the songs are using only Indian only, and on the foreign they are using very less the word Hindi or the many more languages of
Yes.
India, very less.
Okay. Do you see YouTube? Do you see any what is it called?
Yeah,
Social
daily,
media? You know, no?
daily.
Okay. Then you see.
Yes.
So you can see that in YouTube that many Chinese people, Japanese
Yes,
people,
Korean. Yes.
people,
Yes.
Korean
I can see.
people are means they are following the Namaste greeting of India only. First they will start a channel, they start a greeting, they will start a greeting of Namaste only. Why? Because it's very famous greeting word. But in Western culture, hi bro, this bro, that bro.
Because it
They are
is
doing.
happened in only
They
Western
are
Okay,
doing
okay.
like
If-
this
if-
and
if
they're
a-
not respecting others.
Okay, if a tourist of a foreign they visited to India villagers, then the villagers they know the English, they know the English language. They how could the foreign talk with English?
Okay. As you want to say that Western culture people know English very nicely.
Yes.
Yes.
And the villagers of the India they are very they using very less
If they
English.
are not being able to speak the English nicely, they are being able to follow the rules regulation of Indian culture. You don't know this?
What?
If you don't know the English very nicely, here that also if any foreigner come to them and they will ask in Hindi and they will ask in English, so the villagers are not being able to speak. So it's not possible. It is not important that the villagers will only know English. They can know other languages or they can tell them, they can explain them, they can tell everything to them. They're following the Indian cultures, villagers, but the foreigners are using the Western culture coming to India and telling, distracting the people who are in favor of Indian culture also.
How they are distracting the Indian culture? How would you say that?
Because foreigner also like our Indian culture. He come in India, then he used our Indian culture, Indian dresses, Indian foods also he like.
Yes, and also India go to use their Western cultures, dresses like traditional, talking, and smartphone, and very more knowledge.
But Western also. But Western
Yes, I am
people
not
also-
telling about not know. I am also telling about India also adopted Western culture.
Take example of South Indian only. As we all know that South Indian is a very good part of India only. So in South India also, many people are wearing what it called. Many men are wearing dhoti and kurta. They are following the culture of them, and they are eating idli, dosa, sambar, all these things. They are respecting. They are making their food culture very nicely, dressing culture very nicely. But according to Westerns are only what they are doing. They are wearing anything and coming out. They are not disciplined. They are not in a good manner. How to talk to elders, how to touch the feet. But in Indian culture, everything is important.
Yes.
Okay, as you said that the South are using the dhoti. No. But in the time of running, they will use dhoti or they will use the trouser.
Right, okay. But nowadays in school also use skirts. You know what? It is Indian culture.
No.
Then it is Western culture. School also adopt this. Why?
But
Because
it's
it
a
is
school
easy.
uniform.
This is Indian culture. I am not telling about uniform and this and that. This is Indian culture.
We are talking about Indian culture, so how?
This is also Western culture skirt because the school adopted. It
Okay,
is
also we can say that
comfortable
comfortable for us.
Yes.
We can wear it. Some habits which we adopted from Western culture, that was good,
same.
not
Western
bad.
culture also adopt Indian
Yes.
culture because they need they adopt. Also India needs they adopt.
In marriages also we can see our Indian culture beauty.
In Indian traditional
Traditional
dresses
dresses are
wear.
there.
Yes.
Where we go in the temples, in any
Okay.
religious place, we can.
Okay, in the time of the temple, in the time of the going temples or in time of marriage, so how much time will we take in the time of marriage? 2 months, 3
In
months,
in
or 2
1
days
and
or
2
3
hours,
days?
but we are use our Indian culture also.
But at the wedding ceremony, we can't wear
Use
a
our Indian
skirt
culture.
or a top. So
Yes,
that was a.
So after in the culture of Hindus, so when they get married, they wear the gown, the Indian culture only. And after the marrying, they get married, they go to their houses and what they wear? Jeans, top. No, they wear sari. They wear.
Yes, I can understand your feeling and words. But nowadays in India use their old cultures by the cultivation.
Yes,
Old culture, what?
new cultures are all new.
By Western culture.
No,
What?
by
By
the
machines,
equipment,
by
by the
machines.
equipment. That was
Okay,
not
by the
Western
equipment, okay,
culture.
they take a many of time, but nowadays they are use their machines, big machines. What?
With the machines,
Yes.
they can easily work.
Yes.
So that
By
is
it
not
is Indian
Western
culture.
culture.
Indian culture use their buffaloes, cows by the cultivation, and there is a
As
women's
our
use.
India is getting developed, many
Yes.
machines are getting introduced. So
Yes.
that was useful for the farmers.
Hmm.
That reduced
Therefore,
their
I also
time.
tell Indian culture
That was
use
not Western culture. That was Indian
Yes.
culture. Development
machine
of
is
Indian-
using in cultivation. This is Indian culture. By India adopted using machine by
Okay,
cultivation.
by
it's
Western
easy.
culture we can adopt.
Yes.
But they are the machines which are made.
Make.
The people are making the Indians, not the Western peoples.
By the help of by the inspire what?
Only they inspire with Western culture. I don't
I am
think
not
so.
telling about only Western culture. I am telling
There
about by
are
the
the-
inspire of what? By the seeing Western
No.
peoples by
By
using their
their-
machines what?
By
In
their
previous
requirement,
time,
for
in
their
the-
requirement, they
Yes.
can make them.
Okay.
For that requirement, for the
They
requirement
can
of their
make
time.
by the where idea comes to make.
I don't think so. That was my idea.
I am not telling about
They are the
by
idea
the
of their own.
yes, okay, I am agree with you. But you know, by the seeing there in India, out of India, they use aeroplanes, trains. Why? Then India also need. Therefore, they use to make how to make and they how to invent. Therefore, Indians make by what? By the gaining knowledge of the Westerns.
And in the nowadays only they are making the train route in Mumbai to Hyderabad and no Ahmedabad by the help of the Western culture only, by the help of the country Japan. They are using the Japan technologies. That is the Western culture.
Because it is easy and it is the fast by nowadays.
But only technology is not important for our life.
Yes. Okay.
Anymore.
Without technology, you can survive. Without technology, you can survive by the helping of computers without knowing about these things.
In previous year, we haven't any technology.
Okay,
but
you
Indian
telling
people
about
can-
previous year. In a previous also Dowry system, you know, the Dahej Pratha and also Sati Pratha. By the wife, by the man is died and also wife also died. This is also happened. But
But
nowadays,
But any people come and out this type of system.
yes.
What
Complete
about
your sentence?
Yes, he forget this type of a system.
Yes, I know I am agree with you, but nowadays it is different in a previous because in a previous Indian culture are also affected of the humans and not girls go to school to study, but nowadays many of girls are going to study by the knowledge by the increasing of the Indian societies. It is a difference between previous and now.
According to you, in previous time, girls not educated.
Yes, they are not able to go school. They in the previous also you must not want to born girl. If you not know, so then you can search.
Yes, this
But
is also
here-
happened. If the girls have born, then the suddenly they burn the girls.
But nowadays days are
Yes, I am
changes.
telling
Now-
about this point. Nowadays it is different and previous day is different. You telling about at a previous day it is not happen of applications and this, but
we
nowadays
agree
it
with
is
you
used.
because in the past year the situation was different.
Yes.
Now the situation was different.
Yes.
And also we know that in our mythologies there are lots of goddesses are worshipped, and our girls are treated as a goddess.
Yes.
So we can conclude.
Therefore
this.
also I am telling about it is a different at a previous.
Yes.
Yes.
we can agree.
I agree with you.
Okay, you know B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, M.K. Gandhi.
Yes.
They are studied from Western culture only, and after that they developed their own country, India.
Yes. And also politician Rahul Gandhi also come for
We are not
Oxford
saying that
University.
Western culture is totally bad.
I am not telling about this.
Adopting some things with the Western culture was not bad. If we are developing with that was not bad for us.
In India, we all know that we all are Indian only. So when half are following the Western culture, half are following the Indian culture, and by this we have developed the India. But I would like to say to you all that what is the culture? Indian culture helps us to maintain our traditional very nicely, and by traditional only our country is going to develop for day by day, and very nicely it's going on. And if according to you are thinking that Western culture is good, so we are not telling that Western culture is totally bad. As we told that Gandhi Jayanti, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, they all are.
Western culture, every person done forth of his side to go to a school and take education. It is in the Indian culture, every person, every family do force go to a school and take education.
And
So it is a big point of Western culture. It don't go to force.
But also we can see that in our Indian culture, not anyone will force. If they can take any course, they can take. Not family will pressurize them to take any course. If I want to be a doctor, then my family support me.
no, you are wrong. In nowadays only the families person they pressurize the students, and by the president they gone for the gone to the depression, in the disease of depression only.
I don't think so, because in the Indian family, mostly family are living in the joint family, and if they have a problem, they can share with their family members.
Yes.
Because there are lots of family members.
Yes,
are there.
I can agree with you. You are telling that right, but mostly not all peoples are open mind. Parents are also not open mind. They also think about what's my son future going on, this and that. They can see world, therefore they tell to achieve this science, commerce, arts. Therefore they have to go this and that. But it is and nowadays Western culture is also nowadays, because gaming is also Western culture. Now you know, I think you do not know, but you know in Google also e-sports are also trading by the teenagers who are interested to game online games. It is come by the Westerns, and also it is also stream to earn money.
But nowadays, many parents are educated and they don't force their children, I think.
But in our villages there is a not, because villagers people want their son to move out of village and they earn money to give them. What they do?
Now, conclusion. Yes, बोले कुछ बोलना है?
ऐसे दो पॉइंट हम लोग
Yes,
बात
yes,
कर
yes,
रहे
yes, yes.
हैं। इंडिया का इसीलिए बोल रहे हैं।
In Greece is also considered to be as a god here, like Aditi Deva Bhava. In Indian culture also guested many respect, that he said that God is coming in our family and in our house.
Also in India, we can see unity in the diversity. As we know, a thought that
Vasudeva Sundakam.
Vasudeva Kutumbakam.
फिर से बोले.
In India also we can see that unity in diversity, which can conclude with the Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which means that one world,
One
one
nation.
India, one world, one nation. So we can say that our Indian culture is a beautiful culture.
Yes, I am agree with your both point. Nowadays, is Indian culture are also important, but Western culture we adopted, but with by helping of easy life and many more things. But it is not telling that Western culture is important. We follow also Indian culture to for next generation, by the child, by the future and teenager to achieve their older nation, what to do peoples and they how to grow crops and this and that. It is not that you can move through only Western culture. At last, my conclusion is that both are important for us. They gives a easy life, fast life, but Indian is give a respect by the elders, by the gods, and by the many more things. But at last, both are important for us. We are following both and adopting both Western and also Indian. Thank you. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe and say. Thank you.